Crystal World, just a small warm-up for my show. Do you guys have a good time so far? Do you like the performance?
Yeah.
People. Thank you very much. So right now I'm going to do my main act. I'm going to do my main finale. Do you guys want to see that? Alright, only you two people. Again, before I start the show, let me quickly introduce myself again. My name is Lai Yi, and I come all the way
Lai Yi.
from Hong Kong. I'm a circus performer and street performer from Hong Kong. So I travel around the world. I bring my art and love. I share what I have and what is my passion is right here. So thank you for stopping by. So thank you for making the show happen. Without you, I can't perform here. So let me take a bow for you all. Thank you for staying. Thank you for your time. So what is going on right now? I am going to dance with this wheel. Please raise up your hand. Any one of you have seen this performance before?
No.
Only one person. Seriously. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, she is my dance partner. I just want to remind everyone, my dance partner is made by metal and it's made by steel. It is very, 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 very heavy, 15 kilograms. So when I perform, don't come into this area for your safety. Okay? Please everybody make some noise. Today is holiday, right? Why everyone seems because of the weather seems so unhappy. Everyone here. All right. Anyway, so I have to say that.
Busy kakain ng ice cream.
Performer, this is my love, my passion. And by the way, I can't see you. You're so far away. You go over here. Just please come a little bit closer. Come a little bit closer.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you so much. I want to concentrate the energy around here. You're fine. Cool. People at the front row, if you don't mind, you can lay down a little bit or even sit on the floor. It's up to you. Just make yourself comfortable. So, this is my first show, and also this is my last show right here. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, at the end of the show, I will hold my hands here. If you guys enjoy, come forward, support street artists. Make some donation if you can. But if you don't have cash, if you can't afford that, relax. It is my little present for you. Just stay here until the end of the show. If you like it, come forward, shake my hand, and say thank you. And that's all. I think one last question. I am ready for the show. Are you ready?
Ready!
Oh, finally. Thank you very much. So, showtime.
It's your time.
喂，再可以加入呢個團隊啊？好快啊！你隨便，可以加入呢個觀眾席。
Cabi daw
嗰個
pasok.
VIP 1280，隨便。
Cabi pasok.
I prepare a very special song for you all. Enjoy.
Good luck.